What's up, y'all? So, like I told you, I finally got me another GoPro. Um, and in the other video, I know that I've been working on the car that the GoPro is sitting on. We finally got the engine out. It took forever. I never did this before, so it was a really big learning curve. It took forever. So, on the other side of the motor, right here, but on this side of the motor, there's a bracket. It's got 3 screws in it, and if you don't know anything about this car, then it's gonna suck ass, like bad, suck ass real bad. So you gotta get the water pump off, which is like this big. You'll see once we put it back on to put it back in the car. It's like this big, and it probably comes out a little bit more. This thing here is a problem as well. The I don't know if that's stuck or not. Okay, yeah, it's just nasty. Oh, that's why it wouldn't come off. Oh, actually, I lied. That is the bracket that holds the bolts in there. No, I lied. No, I did lie. I'm lying because the bracket is still stuck on the transmount. So yeah. So you got the water pump, you got this thing, and I didn't even know there was a freaking bulb right there. Yeah, I know I don't have no good light. I have a light in the house that I use. But yeah, so now I just found out why I couldn't get the bracket off. Because there's a bump on the side. I would have known that. That would have made my life a whole lot easier. But I don't think I have to take it off. Yeah, I do because those bolts are hiding behind there. But yeah, so right now I'm working on getting the underdrive pulley off. Do y'all see how humongous this thing is? Like mine's is like that big. And I mean I do have a 10, 25 some percent underdrive pulley. But even the stock one is probably like to about here. From there to there. This thing is freakishly huge. But yeah, so got that off. Belongs. Cause I won't need this for a while. Okay. So, actually, let me go get my light. There we go. Let's take the bracket off on the back side. Nope, 15. Finally figured out why I couldn't get this dang tension off. Problem solved. Alright, I don't know why I said condenser. I know. But AC compressor can stay on. And I'm wondering, probably be good if I drain the oil out of this thing. There. And it's crazy because they have a 3-bolt cam, and like my car, the G8, it only has a 1-bolt cam, which I really thought was kind of weird. But you know, my car came a little bit later than this one, so whatever. Let's get the oil pump off. Jesus Christ. So I guess I gotta undo the pin. Because you know, you can't get the pickup tube off because GM was so smart to not put the bolt. Let me show you. GM was so smart to put the bolt over back there instead of right here where there's a hole in the oil pump, in the GM oil pump. I you know, just really don't understand. But yeah, so you see how nasty this engine is? I know he had an oil leak for forever. So I bet you probably what happened was they didn't put the black stuff, RTV, the black stuff, but the black RTV like right here, right there, and on the back sides in the same spots. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that knocked out. Oh, and for some people that don't know, I learned myself not too long ago, these bolts right here, these are for your main caps. So you got 2 underneath when you get to your main caps, and then you have these on the side. So you have one right here for the first main cap. You got one on that same side on that side. All right, well, let me start getting these bolts undone. What's up? So dropping out the engine, trying to get it worked on, put the new cam bearings in. They're gonna wash the engine and wash the heads, get it all ready to go. Basically gonna have a brand new engine minus, you know, rods and rings. But let me show you what the cam bearings look like. I know I showed y'all once before, but just, you know. So that was the problem I saw when I pulled it out. You know, these damn things are beat up, you know, and the heads are nasty. Look at those ports. You can't really see them, but, you know, look how nasty all that is. So all that's going to get cleaned up. All this is going to get cleaned up.